How to trim video in CapCut PC. So if you want to trim your video in CapCut on your PC, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you've opened, go for create project and then import something. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and you can simply drag that to the bottom, and here you will have this kind of interface, right? So if you want to like trim your video, then if you want to remove this part, this right side part, then what you can do is simply click on the bottom or the last, then click on the last side of your video and then simply drag that, so you can cut this much or whatever you like. So that's how you can adjust your video. And if you want to cut the middle portion, then you can simply take your cursor to that particular position and then click on this cut or split option. Click on that split and then again choose the second end of that video that you would like to cut, and then again click on cut and you can choose that, and then you can delete that part. Or there's a shortcut. You need to simply take your cursor, and if you want to delete this part, this left part, then what you can do is simply click on this delete left, or you can simply press Q on your keyboard so that it will delete the left portion of the video. So you can see that it has been deleted. And if you want to delete the right portion, then you can simply press W, or you can go for the right delete option, which is here. So that's how you can split or cut on CapCut on your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.